HellsScythe 460 Tapered versus DranSword 360 Flat. The first to 14 points will be declared your winner. The first battle. Ooh, strong hit from HellsScythe, getting an over finish, earning 2 points. Second battle. Oh, that was pretty fast. Let's get a replay of that. With one swift knockout, DranSword gets an over finish, earning 2 points. Third battle. Ooh, very quick, but HellsScythe takes it with an extreme finish, getting 3 points. Fourth battle. A powerful strike from DranSword, getting another over finish. Fifth battle. But HellsScythe gets a point with a spin finish. Sixth battle. Ooh! First finish, HellsScythe gets 2 more points. Seventh battle. Ooh, powerful strike. But it ends in a simultaneous spin finish, making it a draw. The eighth battle. Ooh, this time DranSword gets a burst finish. Ninth battle. Crazy uppercut from HellsScythe. I'm counting that as an extreme finish. The 10th battle. Oh, DranSword gets a very quick burst finish on HellsScythe. The 11th battle. Very fast movements from both bays. This time, DranSword gets a spin finish with a crazy uppercut. The 12th battle. Oh, strong hits from HellsScythe. But this match is another simultaneous spin finish, making it another tie. The 13th battle. Oh, DranSword with a sick counterattack, getting an over finish. The 14th battle. With one final extreme finish, HellsScythe 460 Tapered is your winner of this battle. Hope y'all enjoyed, and see y'all next time for more Beyblade X battles. Looks like you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, make a comment, and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.